Hey guys, Landy here, Fidget Toys, okay? Fidget Toys. Landy here, please subscribe to me. Goodbye. Nope, that's not the end of the video, okay? So we're talking about Fidget Toys. So probably lots of you guys know about this stick. And it's pretty cool. Hey, it landed. Okay. Landed. Okay. So this is a fidget stick. All you gotta do, it is really like impossible to make it land. It's so satisfying though. Just how it it's like magnetic though, like kind of like that. But the fidget stick's pretty cool. So, we know all about the fidget spinners. Pretty cool, nice stuff. But, now there's all of these. These toys. So, this is the only one that I'm showing you yet. And I got some camera updates. Just like I can do like videos now, like on my computer and stuff. But those are just on Screencast-O-Matic, but on this camera right now, like to just make videos with the whole entire screen. It got an update, so I can make thumbnails now, which is pretty good. You can't just take pictures last time, so let's just make some thumbnails. So I'm gonna make it. So, and we have the fidget pen, the Think Ink pen. Pretty cool. It's a bendy pen, and the ink is gone. These are magnets. I got 2 big magnets, a silver pen, because there's only that color. 4 small magnets, which is as big as 2 big magnets. So, and you can just glue them literally onto this pen, and that is this cool, and it's really cool. So, gotta close this. Okay. So, I just gotta tell you what I like to do. I like to do this. Oh my God, close messages. I like to always spin it around and stuff, but also you can play game too. You can also play game, which is really fun. It doesn't come with directions or anything, and it doesn't even come with directions or anything. But this is what you do. So you get your 4 little dots in the middle like this. So these are villains, and these are the 2 good guys. These big dots, and you put them on both sides of this string, and then one of the big guys gotta come and get him, but he's trapped, so he can't get out. Well, I just got him out, but you gotta stay like that, and then this one guy gotta risk himself to do that, and then pull. Oh no, and the villains won that time, but sometimes you gotta pull them all the way up to here and capture them, and then you guys win. Okay, so that's the game, and everybody knows about fidget spinners, my rainbow one. It's a pretty nice one, though. You've probably already seen, so. And the stick is addicting, but raging, because you can like never. And this is just really fun to bend. What? And this, I like to this. And then the magnets, I do anything with them. Okay, and this is what the original shape is supposed to be like. So, put 1 dot of them Okay. That's pretty nice. So everything in my house is magnetic now. Okay, but so you're supposed to put this one here. Oh yeah, so look at this. Because they're magnetic, you can really spin them around and make them that sticks. So that's pretty cool. And one other thing I gotta do. Okay, just gotta. Whoa, it's moving by itself. So I put the magnet under the table, and you gotta match it up with this one. Okay. Oh no, I got stuck to something. Okay, that is really fun to do. And look at this thing. It's gonna pour today because it's a rainy day. And look at this other thing. You can put it under your hand. One of them that sometimes connects with them. That's not working right now. And so, it's a ghost. But now, I just gotta pause the video for just a second because I can do that in the new camera update. So, but to just repair this thing, okay, and see you guys in a second. Okay guys, just made my thumbnail, and this is probably gonna be the end of the video today because of something. And so I like this pen so much. You should get it online probably. And this thing, if you want it really, because it's so addicting. Oh, and
Hey, here. It's freezing, isn't it?
Yes.
Don't know what it's like here. These pens are super good.
Yes.
His ink broke.
Yeah. It linked. It leaked.
Okay.
Okay, but this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to me and no, not Phoebe, and
Thanks for watching. Don't be home.
No, it's not the end though. Okay, so I'm just gonna get that. No.
Whoa. But I can do that. So.
And it's the end of the video, so make sure. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.